Hi everyone, welcome to the monthly card collab. This is hosted by Crafty Crab, who is Katie, and Metal Scrappin' Chick, who is Kim. Hello ladies. And there are a number of us in this collaboration where each month on the third Sunday we are to post following a theme. And for July, which you probably already know if you've watched any of the other ladies so far, is that this month it's Christmas in July. So I decided to use the brand new available August 3rd Whimsical Trees bundle. It's a cling rubber stamp set, and I used this, and I think that's it. I didn't use the ornaments yet, or these two little trees, but I did use both these bigger ones. Anyway, I did not use the dies. I don't think I used any of the dies, and I really I didn't realize the stars were in here until after I finished the first cards. Anyway, I also used on the second card the tailor-made tag dies. Now these are available in the current annual catalog, and I used these two right here, the largest two of the fancier top for the second card. And then on the third card, I needed a little kind of squatty tag or a circle or something. And this is out of the brand new available August 3rd Pretty Pillow Box dies. And I only used that little tag right there. So that is what I used. And the paper is from the Whimsy and Wonder 12 by 12. And it's beautiful paper, and it's because we're in July doing Christmas, I figured I'd go with non-traditional. So the first card is going to use this, and also the back a little bit. This is on the third card. I didn't use the blue on the back. And what did I use on the, and the second card, I don't know what I do with the extra sheet, but I used this one. And I didn't use any of the back. Right. So these are gorgeous colors. The primary colors I'm using are Mint Macaron and Blushing Bride. There is also Polished Pink in here, and Misty Moonlight. And there is silver or some kind of iridescence, but you could use silver foiling. So the first card is a vertical A2. I did 2 of each card. I made 6 cards, 2 of each of 3 designs. So this is the first one. It's on Mint Macaron, 11 by 4 1/4, scored at 5 1/2. And then this was the back of this paper, which I actually used a piece of right under this white piece. On top the Mint Macaron, just a little trim border, and then a piece on the inside. I did stamp the tree design in Mint Macaron, and then I stamped the dotted tree in Versamark and used silver embossing powder. The tip of the tree is a gem from the Genial Gems, and I tried not to get any with too much gold in since the theme is silver, but I was thinking now I should have got out silver foil and could die cut some of those little stars, but I purposely got some that didn't have as much gold as the others. And then I heat embossed "May the love of the season warm your home and fill your heart." And then these are in the annual, by the way, these are in the annual catalog, the Genial Gems, which are Mint Macaron and Pale Papaya. And then these are the silver and clear epoxy essentials, which I keep forgetting I have. So I used 3 of the silver. You can see those are clear. These have a silver backing. So I used 3 of the round dots on both cards for those. And that is it for those cards. I think they're just so pretty. And then next up, I used a different designer paper. I used the holly, and I stamped the holly leaves and the "Wishing You Christmas Cheer and Magical Moments that Last All Year." This is on Blushing Bride. This is Blushing Bride. This is our basic white. another one of those silverback gems. And then this is the trim from the Simply Elegant Trim Combo Pack, and it's obviously the silver. So then I did on those, I just put a strip of the paper also inside on both of those. So I think they came out cute without, I had trouble wanting I didn't want to cover up too much of the paper because it's so pretty. And then lastly, also on Blushing Bride, but I put a little piece of 5 1/4 by 4 mint macaron down, and then this is cut 1/8 inch in from that. So I think it's, I don't know, I can't remember whatever 1/8 inches in from 5 1/4 by 4. And then here's where I used the little tag from the what is this called? Pretty Pillow Box dies, this one right here. And I die cut that in Blushing Bride and stamped it in mint macaron. And this little bow does not want to cooperate. And this ribbon here is the mint macaron velvet, soft velvet ribbon 1/2 inch. That's in the annual catalog, as is the silver and gold stuff I showed you. And that's it. Oh, and this one, I just stamped Joy on the outside. Look at that little deer face. It's so cute. And then these flowers. I did stamp on the inside, may the love of the season warm your home and fill your heart, because I didn't think Joy was quite enough and a piece of the paper. So those are my 6 cards for monthly card collab with Kim and Katie. I hope you enjoyed it. I had fun making them. And I am going to let you go, and I talk to you the next time. Bye for now.